It's Heather here again, and I'm here with Luis from Receipt Bank.
Hi guys, how are you?
So thank you so much for joining the Xero Partners and Bookkeepers today. Can you explain to them what Receipt Bank can do for our Xero Partners and Bookkeepers?
Absolutely, Heather. First of all, thank you for having me. This is great. I think this might be my first Facebook Live. One with Damien Great had recently. What we can do is we can give you time back. We are the type of app that helps you get rid of the shoebox, right? So the proverbial shoebox, now we change that so that a client, you can get them up and running in 2 minutes. We give them an app. They start taking pictures, and that way they upload every receipt and invoice they ever have to send you. You never have to see one of those again. And what our partners tell us is that they save on average 1 hour per client per week. And just imagine what you would do with all that time back. So we're very excited. We've changed the industry. We've now got over 11,000 accountants and bookkeepers in Australia already using us. Yeah. And we're just seeing all kinds of growth.
Yeah, absolutely. So I've been using Receipt Bank almost since you came out and first launched here in Australia, and it actually has given me amazing flexibility and freedom to work from wherever I want to work with, and it provides a really secure storage facility for all of my source documents.
It's a great idea. What we talk about is we're in 4 businesses. We're in the data collection business, where we help you get all that information from your clients. We're in the data extraction business. We get all that data, we extract it, 99.6% accuracy across anything you send our way. So we really save you all that manual data entry time. We're there in the data publishing business because we take all that information straight into Xero. And then finally, we're in the data storage business. So we keep it for 7 years, so you don't have to worry, the ATO doesn't have to worry, your clients don't have to worry either.
Yeah, absolutely. And that storage is something that we kind of don't think about, but it does mean, for instance, if you have an insurance claim or if something breaks, you can actually just go back in and find it 2 years ago and get it replaced because you've actually got the source.
We hear from our clients that our data searching technology is kind of best in class, and that's the reason why some people just choose to use us. No other reason.
Yeah, absolutely, and that's one of the reasons I love it. Plus the flexibility and freedom it gives me. Can you share with the Xero Partners and Bookkeepers how they can find out more about Receipt Bank?
Of course. Well, you can certainly go to receiptbank.com to find out more. You can send me an email at luis@receiptbank.com. We usually have an offer. If you do a demo, you get on the phone, we literally will get on the laptop, we'll send you a quick URL, we'll walk you through what the product is and does. And so just come to us. Again, send me an email, go to receiptbank.com, or give us a call.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for joining us here at the Xero
Thank you for having me, Heather.
Cheers.
Good to see you. Bye-bye.